Your final activity for this week is for using a web resource. Click the web resource. It'll take you to a Wakelet. We've seen these before. Scroll down, click to make a copy of your final activity. Follow the prompt to make a copy. It will make a copy of your accountability or what you'll turn into your teacher. Okay. Before you start, if you want to navigate back to the Wakelet, and you can click on this resource, and it's going to give you some information that might help you if you get stuck as you work through this activity. Okay, your final activity on your slide deck is you are going to remove one of the species from an ecosystem of your choice. Okay, and then you're going to create an explanation of what might happen to that ecosystem, how it might affect the food web and the food chains within that food web. Okay, so if I look through, there's slide 2, this is an Arctic ecosystem. There's slide 4, this is a savanna ecosystem. And slide 6 is another Arctic ecosystem. Okay, that you've seen them before in other activities this week. Okay, you just need to choose one of these ecosystems. Okay, and what you'll do, I'm going to choose this first ecosystem. You're going to choose one of these species to remove from your ecosystem. To do that, to show my teacher which one I'm removing, I'm going to go to my shapes, and I'm going to choose this shape right here. Then I'm just going to click and drag over what species I'm going to remove. And so right now my teacher knows that I'm going to remove killer whales, and I'm going to create an explanation of what will happen to this food web and the food chains within it if I remove the killer whales. All right, and then if I want to, I can actually click down here and delete the other slides. I only need those 2 slides because this is the ecosystem I chose. Okay, then I'm going to go down here. This is where I'm going to create my explanation, and you have 2 choices. You can either type an explanation by clicking a text box and clicking and dragging to start typing your explanation, or you can create a video. Let me walk you through that. To create my video, I'm going to go back to the slide that I chose for my ecosystem. I'm going to go to Screencastify. We've used it for other activities. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to make sure that my microphone is turned on, and then I'm getting a green bar so my voice is being picked up by my Chromebook. I'm going to turn it off just for this explanation because I'm using a different recording platform. I'm going to press record. I have to choose my screen by clicking and getting a blue box around it. I click share. It'll count down from 3, 2, 1. And then I'm going to create my explanation, just explaining I've removed the killer whales, and then because I removed the killer whales, these other species will be either positively or negatively affected, and how might that affect the whole ecosystem based on how other animals and species will be affected if killer whales weren't there to either eat them or be eaten, right? Okay, once I do that, I'm going to hit the pause button, and I'm going to hit the stop square. A window is going to open up here. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click right up here to name it. Okay. And then if I like my video, it's going to let me watch and listen through it. If I like my video, I can just go back to my slideshow, click on where I want to insert my video. I'm going to click insert. I'm going to click video. If it doesn't already go to it, I'm going to click Google Drive, and there's my video right there. I'm just going to double click. It's going to put my video right up there. I don't need these formatting options. I can just X that out. If you want to, you can resize your video, and there you have it. After you've done that, you can just simply go to your teacher's Google Classroom, find your assignment for this week, click on it, click View Assignment, add or create. You're going to add from your Google Drive. You're going to find your slideshow. Okay. And it's going to show up right there. As soon as it's done uploading, you're going to turn it in, hit turn in one more time, and you've completed this activity.